Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to service your car and reset the service light on your dashboard once it's been done. These are the essential tools required to carry out the process, and all of the service requirement products which I will be listing below, depending on the manufacturer, may differ, but I'll list the site to which you could get the product from. There are four major steps to carry out the full service of this vehicle or any other vehicles. These are safely jacking the car to allow you to open and drain the oil, changing the filters and the spark plugs, closing the drain seal and topping up the oil, and clearing the service light. And once this is carried out, your car is fully complete. So on this W209, the oil filter is all the way at the back, whereas in most models it will be in front of the air filter. That was quick to take off, thank God. Most time is tight, so you might need to get a 24 wrench and try to take it off with it. Okay, that's loose. Take that off and leave it like that, so we know the position it came in. What I like to do is get a little bit of oil and put it around the seal, so next time you come to take it off it doesn't stick to the plastic from the heat. Once it's lubricated you could literally just stick it on there. Oil filter, they both come in the same way. What I tend to do is just check they're the same size. Yep. I have this from that side, I have this from that side, so it's exactly the same. So it's really remove all of that so it's not greasy anymore on the car. And don't worry about this mess, you could clear it off with soapy water and then apply a protection layer. So if we put that back in there. the oil is drained, it's time to close it up. So on that model of W209, the Clk 200 compressor, the engine takes around 5.5 litres of oil. So it's really important to check in your logbook which oil you meant to use and the capacity you could do it. For my oil, the recommended engine oil is the 5W30. So if we top it up now that we closed the drain seal, so to remove the cover is held by 4 clips, so literally just need to do it very slowly to not break it. There we go. So now just literally lift up the injector slowly and place it somewhere so it doesn't get grease. So now that the old spark plug is out, just get your new one and place it right in. And with all that carried out now, this is the service complete. We'll just need to turn off the service light on the dashboard. Literally just need to check the oil level. So on the speedometer, literally just press down and just wait for the observation time to complete, and it should tell us. Okay. So our level is okay. So that's our service done. Now we just need to take off the service B light off the speedometer. So now that we carried out the service, we need to turn off the service light. So in the first tick, as is shown on the speedometer, if we press the reset button 3 times here, should hear a tick, it gives us that. And then if I put into the ignition into the second tick, it comes up with the service. And then if I press on the service light, just put it down again, press the service light, comes up with the oil grade, and then just press the up button and it comes up to confirm the reset. So literally just hold it down for 3 seconds. Service confirmed, and that's literally done now. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you guys, and thank you for watching again.